Classification societies play crucial role in ensuring ships comply with international convention, national regulations, and industry standards, promoting safety, environmental protection, and operational safety efficiency in maritime sector. This dependent organization established a technical standard for ship design, construction, maintenance, covering areas such as structural integrity, machinery, and safety system. One of their primary roles, enforcing compliance with international convention or SOLAS, safety life at sea, marine pollution. For example, they verify vessel adherence to stability requirements for fire safety protocols, pollution. Control emissions regulations. Their standard of often align with the exceed those required by international agreements, ensuring vessels meet strength, safety, and environmental benchmark. Classification societies conduct a rigorous inspection and surveys at various stages of ship life cycles. This includes essential survey during construction and confirm compliance with design standard, and periodic survey throughout the vessel operational life ensured continue. Seaworthiness upon satisfactory completion, they issue certificate as the load line certificate or certificate of compliance for ballast water management, which are essential for operations. Acting on behalf flag state classification societies conduct statutory surveys and issue certification required by convention like SOLAS, MARPOL, and the International Convention of Tonnage Measurement. They also help prepare ship for port state control, inspection during risks, and detention by ensuring compliance with the local international laws.